Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making paneer curry. As you can see, I'm still in my hotel room doing social distancing. Today you will need 1 large onion, 1 medium tomato, 2 cloves of garlic, half of a jalapeno, 1 cup of paneer or 8 ounces. If you are new to my channel, go back to my videos and look at my homemade paneer. 1 tablespoon of oil, pinch of turmeric powder, salt to taste, half a teaspoon of cumin seed, half a teaspoon of red chili, half a teaspoon of coriander cumin powder, half a teaspoon of ground ginger, and 1 teaspoon of garam masala, and some heavy whipping cream. First, I will add oil, add cumin seeds, I will wait for the cumin seeds to turn color and become aromatic. As you can see, the cumin seeds have started to change color and become aromatic. I'm going to add my onions. We will let this cook up until they become light brown in color. We'll close the lid to expedite the process. I will check in between several times and stir it along. Looks like it's starting to become light brown. So now I will add the rest of my vegetables, including tomatoes, jalapeno pepper, and my chopped garlic. We'll let this cook as well. I'll close the lid to expedite the process. Okay, let's check on it. Still not cooked yet completely, but I will add my spices now. Stir it up. I will also add some heavy whipping cream. Stir it up. I will let it cook. Constantly check on the food to make sure it's not getting burnt and stir it up. Stir it up. This would be the perfect time to check your gravy, and also if you had a handheld blender to blend it and make it in a gravy form. I don't have my handheld blender, so I'm just going to try and mush it up. Looks like it's starting to come together and getting all cooked up. So I will add my paneer now. We will stir this up, trying to coat all the paneer with the gravy. Close the lid and let it cook. Let's check on it. So we will let the paneer pieces cook a little bit more. Let's check on it. Looks like our dinner is ready. You can garnish your paneer curry with cilantro, or if you have any kasuri methi, you can garnish it with that as well. I don't have either of those, so I will have to make do without it. And dinner is served. You can have your paneer curry with a side of rice or with roti. Please make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Bye.